What is the Waray word for mother? There are at least two words that I am aware of. First word, nanay, nanay, nanay. The second word is iroy, iroy, iroy. Nanay and iroy are synonymous, but we use them in different ways and in different occasions. In everyday speech, we refer to our mothers as nanay, not iroy. The latter suggests disrespect for the person, the mother. Be very careful when using this word because iroy is a swear word, as in iroy or anin iroy. It's interesting to note that we use iroy when referring to motherland, as in an iroy nga tuna matam is pagpuyan. How sweet it is to live in our motherland. The same word is used in reference to Mary, as in Santa Maria Iroy sa Diyos, Holy Mary, Mother of God, and in Maghimaya karay na, iroy san kaluoy. Hail Mary, Mother of Mercy. Nanay is conversational and informal, hence we use it in everyday language and in ordinary discourse. Iroy, on the other hand, is formal. While it is true that iroy is a swear word, it is also the literary term for mother. Nakabulig inisain? Kung oo, alayon man, pag-subscribe sa channel. Salamat good!